The Doi Intanon Thai restaurant is based in the heart of Ambleside and is the lake's original Thai restaurant. The owners started the restaurant, named after Thailand's highest mountain, in 2000, with the aim of serving only the most authentic Thai cuisine, using only the freshest and finest ingredients. With authentic decor and a menu to match, the restaurant has gained a wonderful reputation for providing the very best Thai food in a relaxing and welcoming atmosphere. A recent extensive refurbishment has seen the restaurant and its menu grow. The kitchens are staffed and run with painstaking attention to detail by Thai staff, who oversee the preparation of every meal, which is freshly made to order.